All right, so I ended up showing you my Excel data. I got in part A that it looks like my slope looks close to pi. And so I'm going to guess that my slope is pi. And then they want me to find the slope of the tangent line. And so what I did is I wrote, oh, it's actually negative pi. I made that mistake earlier. I actually put pi. And I show you, you see my little minus sign here? I put it later. I found my minus sign error. I'm going to show you how I found it as I go along. I'm going to show you that mistake. But I decided to use point slope formula. I'm given the point, which is p. It's x1, y1. My slope is negative pi. And I'm going to pop it into the point slope formula. So in for y1 goes 0. In for x1 goes 0.5. In for pi, for m goes negative pi. And then when I distribute in the negative pi, I get negative pi x plus 0.5 for pi. And I actually put my double underline ants, and then I just checked it. I didn't even realize part D was to sketch the curve, but I went and checked it. I had a positive pi there initially, and I thought, ooh, that doesn't look right. So I knew I had made a mistake, and then I went back to my data, and I saw, oh, I forgot my minus sign. I actually still, here, I forgot my minus sign here still, see? So this should be a negative, negative pi. I went back, redid my work, and then replotted in Mathematica both of these curves at the same time. So this is the cosine pi x. I just had it go from x equals 0 to 0.6, so that I could see that curve. And then I plotted the line on the same graph. I'm going to show you in a bit how to do that so you can see both of them. And they indeed are the same. You're required to have both of these. They want you to do two secant lines as well. You can do that if you want. This is just a check for us to make sure that what we have is really the tangent line. So Dr. T makes mistakes all the time.